What's up mga tol? Kakantahin pala natin ngayon ay ang For Strong Wind by Neil Young. Please mga tol, like and share lang sa aking mga video. Salamat mga tol. Yun lang. Ito para sa inyo. And I'll go out to Alberta. Waiters go there in the fall. I've got some plans that I can go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. What we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong wind that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it won't be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds you can blow cold way out there. For strong wind that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. For strong wind that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you